Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to freeze your credit with TransUnion. But before we get into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to do this in the first place. Why freeze your credit? Think of a credit freeze as a lock on your credit report. It prevents new creditors from accessing your information and extending you credit. This can be a great way to protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. If someone has your social security number and other personal information, they can easily open up new accounts in your name and rack up debt. But with a credit freeze in place, they won't be able to do that. When would you want to freeze your credit? There are a few different reasons why you might want to freeze your credit. If you're not actively looking for new credit, if you're not planning on buying a car or a house or applying for a new credit card anytime soon, a credit freeze can be a good way to protect yourself from unauthorized activity. If you're a victim of identity theft, if you've been a victim of identity theft, freezing your credit can help prevent the thief from using your information to open new accounts. If you're traveling or storing your sensitive documents in an unsafe place, a credit freeze can add an extra layer of protection. How to freeze your credit with TransUnion. Now that we've covered the why, let's get into the how. There are 3 ways to freeze your credit with TransUnion: online, by phone, or by mail. Online. This is the fastest and easiest way to freeze your credit. Simply go to the TransUnion website and create an account. Once you're logged in, you can click on the Credit Freeze tab and follow the instructions. By phone. You can also freeze your credit by calling TransUnion at 1-888-909-8872. You'll need to provide some personal information to verify your identity, such as your social security number and date of birth. By mail. You can also freeze your credit by mail. Simply send a written request to TransUnion P.O. Box 160, Woodland, Pennsylvania, 19094. Be sure to include your full name, social security number, date of birth, and current mailing address. You'll also need to provide copies of 2 documents to verify your identity, such as a driver's license or passport. Important things to remember. Freezing your credit is free. There is no cost to freeze your credit with TransUnion. You can lift your credit freeze at any time. If you need to apply for new credit, you can simply lift your credit freeze. It can take up to 3 business days for your credit freeze to be processed. If you need to freeze your credit quickly, it's best to do it online or by phone. You can freeze your credit with all 3 credit bureaus. It's a good idea to freeze your credit with all 3 credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Freezing your credit is a great way to protect yourself from identity theft and fraud. It's a simple process that can be done online, by phone, or by mail. If you're concerned about your credit, I highly recommend freezing your credit. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice.